My name is John Feller. I work at Aged Infused. My wife and I are co-founders of the business, and we make alcohol infusion kits for the home bar. We first found out about Bluevine just through a quick Google search, just trying to find a modern new bank partner. It's really enabled us to understand with the capital that we have, how much we can invest in our future, in our existing products. For example, in the past year at Aged Infused, we opened a retail store, which is where I'm at right now. So we were able to save up along the way and have this goal, and then eventually be able to open up our store just by having a little bit more financial prudence and keeping things organized. It just gives us a nice space. I can talk to my business partner and we understand where our business is at and how we invest in new products, how we can purchase more inventory of our current products, and just keep growing the fun thing we're doing. We always just like to say we're making cocktails all the time, so we should just be having fun. But we didn't have any issues with getting started up, transferring our funds over to Bluevine. I thought it would take me a lot longer, but I just moved everything over really quickly and got the whole thing set up within a couple of weeks. If I could tell another small business person about Bluevine, I would tell them that it changes the way you think about banking. It's just a modern take on the banking experience that makes things much easier to understand how much is coming into your business, where the money is going out, all of the added benefit of having a great interest rate and no ACH fees as well. It's just a really easy way to see a financial picture of your business.